How to fix Windows 11 lagging and slow problem. So if you want to fix your Windows 11 lagging and slow problem, then first you just need simply right click on your Windows and then go with settings option. Now under settings, you need to go with the privacy and security section, which is on the bottom left. And then you need to just go with general section. And under your general permissions, you just need simply make sure all of these is turned off. And once it's turned off, you need to again go with the speech. Under speech, make sure this is also turned off. And then you need to go with inking and typing personalization. Make sure this is also turned off. You need to go with all the other options and make sure all of these are turned off. Once you're turned off, then you just need to simply go with permissions and you need to turn off the permissions of the application that you're not using. You can go with location, camera, you can simply choose camera and then you can only give access to the application that you are using and not for the others. You can do it with all of the other options which are right here. And after that, your computer might fix the lagging issue. But if that doesn't fix your issue, then the next thing you need to do is you just need to simply go back and then you need to search for system properties, sysdm.cpl, and then hit the enter. And it will take you to the system properties. Now under your system properties, make sure under your advanced and then go with performance and go with settings, which is on the right side, and make sure that you've selected adjust for best performance. Once you've selected that, just go with apply and OK, and your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't, then you just need to simply go back and you need to right click on your task bar and then go with task manager. Under your task manager, you need to go with startup apps, which is on the left side, and you need to make sure all of these are disabled. I've already disabled it. You just need to simply go and disable it. Right click on it and click on disable, and once you disable all of these, then your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.